My people, how na day? My name na AU David. Awamialu one, Biagudu Yoli, or Gadagu himself. They say that respect na may foul the bedan when he read the mouth. Not discuss say foul it all. Now waiting dog do for where yam day. Now make them the pursue dog for where yam day. Today we have a bogus news. Trade Union Congress TUC don't come and say Nigeria government, the office holder say they want to increase their own salary again. Say they don't give revenue mobilization allocation and fiscal commission. May they review the money where that they pay them. Say they want to increase their own salary by themselves again. Now this trade union come and say this one is not good. Say this one when they want to do, say this one will put Nigeria for serious problem well. Say the one where they will say every time that they increase their old salary by themselves, say na very bad thing. Say may they stop them. Say this one we must resist them. It will not work. Come talk and say the increase when government increase their tax, whether not because of their office holder, the legislator and the senator, the House of Rep and the rest, governors and the rest, say whether not because of them, now make them increase the tax. Whether not waiting what they pay the office holder salary, now make them increase tax where people they pay. Say this one when government wants tax so, say this dance, they not go see people when go fit dance this dance because this thing will cause inflation. It will cause so many bad things, hardship, problem will come to the country. Now we can sit down, do the calculation on our own, say this thing where these people they talk, say they want to increase their salary. What do they need this salary for? When they want to increase again? Because we know say money where these people feel they receive, the money they break person head. Yes, the money they break person head. Because before they do the thing mango, they not agree tell us say this is the amount where they receive. Now the thing until Senator Shehu Sani can tell us say the money where the Senate they receive. This one not be Senate president to just the Senate, because the one where Senate president they receive be past the one where the deputy Senate president. Now so that they pay them. But the one will be say ordinary senators they receive. They can't say the money itself, if they make person headache. Person get headache. Say the money itself they give person headache. Say senators money when they receive now 750,000 now be their salary for a month, basic salary. That is the money when they suppose just pay them. Say now this one now be your salary. But allowance when they give them now 13.5 million. That's 13,500,000. Now that they give them as allowance for a month. Now if you plus the 13.5 and 750,000 to get that money when they receive, could be 14.25 million every month. Every month. Now when if for a year, these people can collect 171 million naira. 171 million naira for a year. This one don't benefit them. This one don't reach them. Not be only this one that they collect, because some people from inside our Senate, they don't do first and second tenure for their state as a state governor. Because when they tire for their state as the governor, they will retire come Senate and the House of Rep. Now there for they sleep. They'll come there, come sit down, they take money. Then they pay them pension allowance, salary, pension salary. Whether an allowance or a salary, they see they pay them for the state when they take govern the place. Then they pay them up their money as a pensioner. 210 governor or 110, anyone when you do 210 or 110, then they pay them the pension money. they still consignate. They take 14.25 million a month. Join that money. Only them. This one not belly for them. They want to increase their salary because they mandate approve 30,000 minimum wage for civil servant. Now they want to increase their own again. Who do this to Nigeria? Why we for missing? Till you see don't they cry and say, may everybody join there to stop these people for this Wuruguru and Magomago when they want to come again. Then the thing is, siphon the national treasure into their own pocket. Hi. God could judge these people, Sha. God will judge these people. Hi. TUC don't talk and say, make we mobilize, to stop them. Say, make we not allow this thing happen. Because if it happen, problem will come this country. When they use this period, they beg now. Every Nigerians, when no say me, you love Nigeria. Make una make sure so na talk for this matter. Make these people not increase their salary again. Make them leave the office. So in fact, may they do what do you no, let me speak English. In fact, may they do what do they call electronic legislator. Now this one that many people they do now. Many countries don't they do it. May they try and make be say they go reduce most of these things. A situation where we say counselor when he gets school start, he they receive salary when he be past a professor when he they teach for university. When I reason this thing, my people, how now see this matter? I bet make una leave comment for the downside. Leave your comment. Make we see how we see it good. Make these people increase their salary again. Make we support them or make we not support them. And in case you never subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe. And you when don't subscribe, God will bless you. We dey for here they pray for now because now they make us they grow. God will bless you. And if you never subscribe, what do you still wait for?